What's up, everyone? Summer, Secret Lair, Drop Series, Ornithological Studies. We're talking birds, y'all. Let's check out some birds. Birds. Ooh. Yeah, I'm just gonna start doing that from now on. Swan song. Man, even though these are non-foil, they look so good. Beautiful birds of paradise, y'all. Incredible art on that. Gila the goose. I already needed a second art, apparently. Baleful Strix. Legacy Classic. And then, you got your Dovescape. And along with these 5 beautiful birds, we got ourselves Nicobolus. That's one of the good ones. I will take that. We got us a little bolus. So, there you go, everybody. Thank you for watching, and that was a pretty good bird study.